Africa, we must work together on matters climate change. You are aware that our president hosted a very, very successful Africa Climate Summit to take leadership because in matters climate change and global warming, Africa has taken the hardest hit in terms of emissions, in terms of pollution, and we have not been well compensated by the rest of the world. So as a continent, we really need to take the center stage in taking a common position to be able to discuss with the rest of the world so that when it comes to compensation, we can have a huge leverage because we are united.
The innovative approach that Kenya is taking to be able to leapfrog some of these ideas and for Africa to catch up, because your success story will automatically be Africa's success story.
Absolutely.
And we're able to learn. And through this days, really, we've been able to share notes, compare notes with other sister country ICT ministers. We're able to talk about collaborations. Where can we collaborate where technology is concerned? We have AI and ethics, which is an upcoming issue. We must take an African collective position. It shouldn't just be a Kenyan position, a Namibian position. We are unable to properly negotiate with the rest of the world and this private sector conglomerates if we have different positions. And we're also looking about a possible digital Pan-African digital payment system. How can we be able to support young entrepreneurs in Kenya to access the market in Namibia?
Right.
Of course, we are nowhere close to 53 million people.
Yes.
We are only 3 million Namibians.
Yes.
But I think there is opportunity to encourage trade digitally between our two countries through such a platform. So Excellency, I'd just like to really thank you for accepting this courtesy, and I can attest to you mentoring young people and being close to young